today I am going to be doing my makeup while answering some of your questions from Instagram. Don't know why that took me so long. So the makeup look I'm going to be doing today is this snake one, which I saw Abby Roberts do, as most of you probably know. And yeah, I've been wanting to do it for ages, and now I'm going to finally try and do it and hope that it turns out good. So this is basically a bit of a chattier video, not really talking through what I'm doing, but yeah, by watching you'll probably learn how to do it anyways. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. One, two, three, let's switch this up. I'm actually going to do the drawing of the snake first instead of my skin, because I think I'll mess up and have to like wipe off and then put more product back on, so it's easier if I just do the snake first and then do the rest of my face afterwards. So let's just start mapping that out. This is going to take me forever. Photo. I'm going to draw the head first. Okay, so I've done like the outline. I'm just eating like a honeycomb at the moment. So I'm going to answer like the first question. The first one is, how did you learn to do makeup? I learned off watching YouTube tutorials, and yeah, practice makes perfect, I guess. Another one is, when did you start your YouTube channel? So, I started my YouTube channel when I was in grade 7, which is when I was 12, and I started it with my younger cousin. It was called The Gorgeous 2, but then that didn't really work out, so I decided to change it just to Lily Matthews last year. So I've had this channel for quite a while. I don't know where to start now. I'll start like with the light pink in the mouth first. Is, do I have a secret that I've never told anyone? And I don't think I do. I'm pretty sure I don't. The next one is, are you single or taken? And I'm as single as can be. Literally. So, you know, hit me up. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next question is, why did you start your YouTube channel? And I started it just because, I don't know, I was just watching YouTube one day and I thought, I would like to do that. I would like to do makeup on YouTube. So then I just did it. Because I wanted to. That's pretty much it. I didn't know that you could get paid or anything like that. I only started wondering that once people started saying that this is their job, and then I was like, but how do they get paid? If it's free to sign up, how do they get paid? And then I obviously got told. But and I just continued it and liked doing it ever since. Recently I've been like saying like, oh guacamole instead of like oh no or something, which I don't know, I think it came from like holy guacamole, and then just like turned into just oh guacamole. I don't know what happened or how that happened, but now I can't stop saying it, so that's great. First things first on the list. Already know I'm in concentration is real. Holy guacamole. Ah, I be the actor you want my name about. Oh, guacamole. See? Your thoughts on Stranger Things season 3? My thoughts are I haven't seen them. I haven't even seen the first. Oh wait, no, I've seen the whole of first season. Yeah. What's your favorite product? Probably like mascara. Like I could live without everything else. Ooh. This looks so much better. Okay, next question is what's one thing about makeup that I would change, and people judging people who wear makeup and thinking that they're insecure and stuff, but really it's like an art form and a way of expressing yourself, so yeah. Okay, so finish the face of the snake, and now I'm gonna start on the body. But I'm gonna see what the next question is first. What's my favorite part about makeup? My favorite part about makeup is the creativity, obviously, in that it's a way of expressing yourself, and yeah, I really enjoy doing it. Ooh, look at that! And they did a big chunk of red. Another question was, do I like anyone? And I don't know. I'm so focused on school and doing this, and I don't know. I don't think I would have time for anyone. Anyways, even if I did. So who knows, maybe I do. Maybe I don't. I'm not gonna tell you. Actually, I think this is kind of okay. I'm so fancy. Time for the red time for the red. I'm gonna put some of my red lipstick that I'm gonna use for the red onto my little palette, because it's gonna be easier if I do that. So nervous. Ah. So far, looking pretty good. What's my favorite movie? Of all time, probably Mamma Mia. Yeah. I like Superbad too. That's a good one. Watched that a couple times. What influences my artistic or creativeness? With makeup, it's seeing people on Instagram do crazy things, and I'm like, I want to do that too, and then I think of some ideas, except for this is like a copy. But I did like this eagle one. It wasn't very good, but I'm getting better, hopefully. I can't do that thing. The current thing, I can't do it. Oh, I've got an idea for a makeup look where I want to do one of my own artworks on my face, artwork pieces, and I've got this like piece of artwork that I'm doing at the moment at school, and it's about mental health, and yes, I thought that, and it's quite a good one, and I'm quite proud of it. So I really want to do that in a makeup look. It's a very like abstract piece of work. was so weird. Also been making some TikToks recently. Holy crap! I believe so. I believe in you. This isn't a song, but maybe I will come out with an album. Hell yeah. Does it go? Where does it go? Where does the red go? If this doesn't get good likes, I'm gonna explode. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking good, girl. I just gotta do this a little bit here. Then I can do the face makeup and I'll be done. I'm gonna do the tail and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I've finished the snake bit and now I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. And I think there's only one question left, which is what I'm gonna do after high school. So I'm gonna begin my eyebrows. After high school, I don't know. I think I'm gonna continue doing this just because I like it. I'm gonna hopefully get some sort of job. And I also want to maybe do like a hairdressing thing. But we'll just see. I don't really know, to be honest. Okay, so it's now much later, but the battery took forever to charge. And I obviously have finished the rest of my makeup because I've had dinner and everything and reapplied lipstick and stuff. But yeah, this is the finished snake and I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to smash that like button if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more creative looks like this. And I'll see you on Wednesday with a vlog. Bye! Time to take some Instagram photos. Also, my Instagram's down below if you want to check out the photos. You might be able to like see the snake better.